You're listening to the Achievement Radio podcast, where you can unlock your full potential for success.
Hello, and welcome back. Today we have a topic that is all too relatable in our fast-paced world: effective stress management techniques. We will explore some powerful strategies to combat stress and find inner peace. So, grab a cup of tea, find a comfortable seat, and let's dive right in. Before we delve into the techniques, it's important to understand what stress really is. Stress is our body's natural response to challenges and demands. While a little stress can be beneficial, chronic stress can wreak havoc on our mental and physical well-being, so it's crucial to develop effective strategies to manage it. One of the most powerful stress relief techniques is mindfulness and meditation. By practicing mindfulness, we train our minds to be fully present in the current moment. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and focus on your breathing. Gradually, observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment. Meditation enhances self-awareness and helps us detach from stressful situations, leading to a calmer and clearer mindset. Remember, it's not about forcing thoughts away, but acknowledging them and letting them pass. Physical exercise and yoga. Moving our bodies not only keeps us fit, but also releases endorphins, natural stress-fighting chemicals. Physical exercise can take various forms, from a simple brisk walk to intense workouts. Choose activities that you enjoy, as it boosts motivation. Another incredible stress-busting avenue is yoga. Combining physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation, yoga provides a perfect blend of physical and mental relaxation. The stretching and focusing on the breath in yoga helps release tension and promotes a tranquil state of mind. Creative outlets and hobbies. Engaging in creative outlets and hobbies is an excellent way to cope with stress. Whether it's painting, cooking, playing a musical instrument, or even gardening, these activities stimulate our minds and allow us to enter a state of flow where time feels like it's flying by. Find something that truly ignites your passion and dedicate regular time to indulge in it. Creating something with our own hands can have therapeutic effects, relieving stress and promoting a sense of accomplishment. Social support and connection. Human beings are social creatures, and maintaining strong social connections is crucial for effective stress management. Share your worries, thoughts, and emotions with someone you trust. Sometimes, simply talking to a friend or family member who is a good listener can alleviate stress significantly. Engage in social activities that bring you joy and surround yourself with positive and supportive people. Remember, you are not alone in this journey, and there are people ready to lend an ear and offer their support. Time management and organization. Feeling overwhelmed and stressed often goes hand in hand with poor time management and disorganization. By mastering these skills, we can regain control and reduce stress levels. Start by prioritizing tasks and setting realistic goals. Break large projects into smaller, manageable steps, focusing on one thing at a time. Utilize calendars, to-do lists, or smartphone apps to keep track of your commitments and deadlines. Establishing a routine and sticking to it helps create a sense of order, reducing stress levels associated with last-minute rushes. Self-care rituals. In our fast-paced lives, we often neglect ourselves in the pursuit of personal and professional goals. However, self-care is essential for maintaining good mental health and effectively managing stress. Dedicate time each day for self-care rituals that nurture your mind, body, and soul. It can be as simple as taking a warm bath, reading a book, enjoying a cup of tea, or practicing gratitude journaling. Remember, self-care is not selfish, it is an investment in your well-being. I hope you found these effective stress management techniques helpful. Remember, it's not about eliminating stress entirely, but rather finding ways to navigate through it. Experiment with different strategies and find what works best for you. Always prioritize self-care and be compassionate towards yourself when stress seems overwhelming. And until next time, take care and stay stress-free.
Thank you for being a part of the Achievement Radio podcast today. Your support means everything to us.